Let's make traditional German cucumber salad, also known as Gurkensalat. To start, we're going to peel 2 cucumbers. Then we're going to slice the cucumbers. I'm using a mandolin. You can also use a knife. The thickness should be about 1/8 of an inch, roughly. Then chop up some dill and combine it with the cucumbers. Next, you're going to squeeze your lemons. Then combine in a small bowl, combine oil, salt, sugar, and all that lemon juice. Whisk until the sugar has dissolved. And lastly, pour the dressing over the salad. Toss to combine and let the cucumber salad sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. And here's your sweet and tangy, super refreshing cucumber salad. Thanks for watching. For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com. Cheers!